Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video we are going to see how to make Murgh Methi Malai or Methi Malai chicken or chicken with fenugreek leaves, which will be very delicious. So let's get started with this winter special chicken gravy recipe. I have taken here around 700 grams of chicken, and now we need to marinate them by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin or zeera powder, half teaspoon of dry red chilli powder, a small bowl of plain yogurt or dahi, some crushed kasoori methi leaves. Now mix this well over the chicken. I forgot to add ginger garlic paste, so adding 1 tablespoon of it now. Mix this well over the chicken pieces. And we will marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour. So these are fenugreek or methi leaves which I have roughly chopped. I'll be adding now 1 teaspoon of salt so that the methi leaves lets out its bitter water, and when we cook the chicken we won't get the bitter taste in the gravy. And we'll keep this aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we can see the methi leaves has let out its bitter water. We will now slightly squeeze the methi leaves in small portion and keep them aside in a plate. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a karhai and add around half teaspoon of refined oil and 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. And when the ghee melts, we will add the chopped methi leaves. And on medium flame we need to saute them for 4 to 5 minutes. By now the methi leaves are well fried, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. In the same karhai add 1 more tablespoon of refined oil. And when the oil is hot, we'll add some whole spices like 1 dry red chilli, 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves. Fry them for a while. Next goes 2 medium onions finely chopped. Saute them for a while. I'll be adding now 1 teaspoon of onion paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I have already added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste while marinating, so adding only 1 teaspoon now. Now fry everything well until the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away. And now time to add the marinated chicken. And on medium to high flame we will fry the chicken well for at least 5 to 7 minutes. So now you can see the chicken has changed its color and started to release its oil. And now we will cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. It's already 10 minutes. Let's check once. The chicken is half cooked and well fried by now. At this stage, we will add the fried methi leaves. And mix them well along with the chicken. And now again we will cover and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. It's 6 minutes now, and when you open the lid, you get a nice aroma of fried methi leaves with chicken, and the smell is too good. At this stage, I'll be adding a small bowl of cashew paste to get that rich, thick and creamy taste. Give a good mix. I have added some water to rinse off the remains of the cashew paste from the bowl. Give again a mix. And now we will let this simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. I will now check for the salt proportion. Little bit of salt is required here, so adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well. Finally, I'll be adding a small bowl of fresh cream or malai to complete the dish. Give a final mix. And our methi malai chicken is now ready to be served hot. So friends, here goes my Murgh Methi Malai or Methi Malai chicken or chicken with fenugreek leaves on the serving bowl. So friends, do try this delicious chicken gravy recipe during this winter and relish with your dear ones. And if you like my today's video, then do subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such yummy recipes. Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.